Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to install WordPress in CPanel. So, let's dive into it. In this video, I'm using the TDM hosting platform. Log into your TDM hosting platform. On the website homepage, find and click on the Login to CPanel button. Once you are on CPanel, scroll down until you reach the Software section. In the Software section, click on WordPress Manager. On the next page, click on the Install button. Here, fill in all the required information. Type or choose your website URL in the Choose URL section. Next, enter your site name. After that, enter the admin username. Next, enter the site description. After that, in the Select Theme section, choose the theme you want, click on the Select Theme button, and then click Yes. Lastly, click on the Install button. It will take some time to install. And there you have it. This is how you can install WordPress in CPanel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.